So Sanket, you took your preparations of IELTS from English Center. So can you share your experience with the viewers?
Yes, sure, ma'am. When I initially approached this institution and Kakoli ma'am herself, I was in uncharted territory because no one from my family or none of my friends or anyone else that I knew had ever taken such an exam or knew what the procedure was. So when I first approached ma'am, I asked her to give me a specific detail of what giving this exam means and what are all the ways that I could prepare for it and what will the consequences of giving this exam be. So ma'am took her time. She let me know that how the exam procedure is how the exam proceeds itself, what all the exam consists of, how many types of tests there are, what I need to do to prepare for each and every topic about it. So ma'am helped me out through every process. She helped me find what were my strengths, which were my strengths. For example, I was very good at listening and reading tests, but my Achilles heels was writing. So she would give me lots and lots of writing tasks to complete. She would give me homeworks to write essays. She would make me write. She would give me vocabularies. For example, she would give me a new set of words each and every day so that I can use it again for my next essay or for writing a graph description. And whenever I gave her my homework, she would scrutinize it. She would see which parts I was wrong in. She would tell me, like, for example, if there is this one word which I can use, I have been using the same way throughout the essay. She would give me different kinds of synonyms for those words. For example, for escalate, she would give me increase or augmented, and she would give me different words so that I can use it, and so that it does not look like I'm repeating myself over and over. Another weakness of mine was speaking. Although I was fairly competent in English, but I did not used to speak English that much. So she would conduct these mock speaking sessions with me each and every day at the end, where she would take a random year speaking test, and she would ask me about. She would take that test with me. So she would ask me the questions. I would be talking about them, and but little by little, I overcome my fear about having to speak with some stranger completely. So yeah, I believe, and I got after giving the exams, I scored very surprising. Even I was surprised by my scores. I got 9 out of 9 in listening. I got 8.5 in reading. I got 6.5 in writing, and I got 7.5 in speaking, which gave me a total overall of 8. So this helps me which will be helping me furthermore to take my studies. So yeah, I am very grateful for having approached ma'am for my IELTS study.
Okay, thanks a lot, Sanket. I wish you all the best in your life.